Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and here we have to scroll in order to find sound. Now let's scroll down again in order to find proper section, which I cannot see right now. Oh, here we've got the ringtones. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, here we can change kind of the sounds for the ringtone and the notifications. I will focus on the ringtone. As you can see, we've got two different SIM cards, so it means that you can like split or differentiate between both, and you can pick totally different ringtones for totally different SIM cards, which is quite cool. So let me show you how to do it using the first, how to change the ringtone using the first SIM card. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, after tapping on it, we've been transferred to this list of the ringtones which are currently defaultly installed. At the very top of this option we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you if it is useful or not. Here we've got the section Music, which simply means that if you will have any files which are compatible, for example downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. And here we've got also the recording, so I believe from the recorder you can set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, of course. And let me volume it down a little bit, maybe not that much. So basically this is how it works. Just go through the list, tap on particular options and check which you like the most. And after picking one, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.